the quality of the products, the chemicals that you're going to use, to me are the things that are going to set you aside from the other companies out there that won't use these products. And I think that's what will give the customer the value for money and what they expect at the end of the job. I would think you've got to give it a go, to be honest. It's something like I said at the very beginning of it, that people had tried to explain it to me, but I couldn't understand how it works. Can't understand how you can stand at the bottom on ground level and clean a roof up a height until you actually see it being done. If it's so that whether it becomes part of the arsenal of Lex Hygiene or whether it becomes a standalone business, I don't know as yet. But I'm pretty confident it's something that Lex Hygiene is going to get involved in.